Did you know that being successful and getting rich isn't just about following a strict plan? Sure, using your head is important, but there's more to it than that. Imagine you're building a sandcastle. It's not enough to just follow a design. You need to feel the sand, the water, the wind, and sometimes create your own tools. That's how it is with success and wealth. Besides the plan, you need something called self-suggestion. Think with me. What you imagine and how you think can change everything in your life. If you believe you can achieve something and keep that thought firmly in your mind, it helps you get there. It's like you have a magic wand that turns your thoughts into reality. So, if you think positively and have confidence, it opens doors for good things to happen. Now, imagine you have a treasure map with 6 simple steps to get rich. That's what the book, The Instant Millionaire, by Mark Fisher teaches. These steps are like tips from a friend who has already found the treasure and wants to help you find it too. It all starts with something called self-suggestion, which is a way to train your brain to believe that you can achieve your dreams. So, the first step is very simple. Write down your dreams and goals. Imagine you have a magic notebook, and everything you write in it can become reality. People who become rich and successful do exactly that. They don't just daydream. They take a piece of paper and a pen and write down everything they want to achieve. For example, if someone wants to have a big house with a garden full of flowers, they will write it down in detail. I want a house with 4 bedrooms, a spacious kitchen, a garden with many colorful flowers, and a swing on the tree. In this way, they are clearly telling the universe what they desire. Writing down your dreams is like drawing a treasure map. This map will guide you and show you where you want to go. And do you know what's the coolest part? When you look at the map every day, you remember what you want to achieve and feel motivated to keep going, even when things get tough. Now, let's talk about the second step, character and discipline. Think of your thoughts as little seeds. If you plant good seeds, like positive thoughts and clear goals, they will grow into big trees of success. But for that, you need to take good care of them, and that's where discipline comes in. Discipline is like the water and sunlight you give to those seeds. It means doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's a bit like brushing your teeth every morning and night, even when you're sleepy. Successful people know they need to work hard every day, do their tasks, and not give up, even when it seems difficult. Successful people have strong character. This means they are honest, responsible, and persistent. They don't give up at the first difficulty. Imagine you're building a sandcastle on the beach. Sometimes, the waves come and knock down part of the castle. But instead of giving up, you keep building and reinforcing your castle. That's what people with character do. They keep working, even when things don't go as planned. Let's imagine you became a millionaire. What would you do with all that money? Buy the best toys? Travel to incredible places? Maybe you'd want to help people or build something amazing. But the most important thing is to find something you really love to do. When you do what you love, work becomes fun, like a big game. Think of an artist who loves to paint. For them, spending the whole day creating paintings is a joy, and if they make money doing it, it's like a bonus. Imagine if every day you could wake up and do something that makes you happy, something that makes you smile. However, there's an important detail. Money should be your friend, not your boss. It should help you achieve your dreams and not be the only thing on your mind. Many rich and successful people are happy because they found something they love to do. They don't see work as a burden, but as a passion. Let's think of an example. If you love cooking, imagine opening a restaurant where you can create delicious dishes every day. Or, if you love animals, maybe open a shelter to take care of them. When you find something you're passionate about, each day is a new opportunity to do what you love, and money comes as a consequence of that love and dedication. However, remember one essential thing. If in the pursuit of wealth you lose your happiness, then all the effort won't be worth it. Money is a great servant but a terrible master. It should be used to bring more joy and fulfillment to your life, not to make you stressed or unhappy. So, the key is to find a balance. Use money to do what you love, to help others, to create unforgettable memories. But never let it take over your life to the point where you forget what really matters. Being happy and doing what you love. Now, let's talk about the importance of calmness and focus. Imagine your mind is like a flashlight. When you point the flashlight at a specific place, you can see everything clearly. Similarly, when you focus your mind on a task or goal, you can get things done more efficiently and calmly. calmness comes from concentration. Think of an athlete about to compete. They focus so much on what they're doing that they forget everything around them. This helps them perform at their best. When you fully concentrate on something, you feel calmer and more productive, as if you're in a state of peace. Living in the present is a big part of this. Often, we get stuck thinking about the past or worrying about the future. But if you learn to focus on what you're doing now, your mind will be more peaceful. It's like playing with a new toy and forgetting everything else around you. You're completely present in that moment. Prayer and meditation can help a lot with this. They teach your mind to focus and calm down. When you get good at this, you can work better towards your goals and feel an inner peace that gives you energy to keep going. Now, let's talk about the symbol of the rose and what it means. The rose is like a magical symbol that teaches us about life. Imagine you have a rose in your hands. For it to grow beautiful and healthy, you need to take care of it, watering and protecting it. In the same way, the rose shows us that we need to take care of our thoughts and focus on important things to achieve our goals. When you control your mind and focus on what you want, it's like taking care of the rose. Your dreams and goals start to become reality, just as the rose grows and blooms with care. When your mind is strong and focused, you're creating a space where your dreams can come true. The rose also represents the idea that our dreams can come true when we have clear thinking and a positive mindset. It's as if the rose symbolizes our desires and goals becoming reality. So, the more you take care of your thoughts and focus on what you want to achieve, the closer you will be to realizing your dreams. Now, let's talk about money and freedom. Imagine money is like a magic key that can open many doors for you. This key can give you the freedom to do amazing things, like travel to places you've always wanted to visit, buy something you dream of, or even help other people. But it's important to remember that money is just a means to achieve your goals, not a goal in itself. It should help you live the life you want, but it shouldn't be the center of your life. If you start seeing money as the only thing that matters, you might forget what truly makes you happy. The secret to using money wisely is to believe in abundance. This means thinking that there will always be opportunities and resources available for you, and that you can get what you want if you work for it. When you have this mindset, money multiplies and becomes a powerful ally in your journey to achieve your dreams. Also, don't let financial problems and challenges consume you. Instead, maintain a positive attitude and believe you can overcome difficulties. The way you think about money can make all the difference in your ability to reach your goals and live the life you dream of. Now, let's talk about the importance of entrepreneurship and how it can change your life. Entrepreneurship is like starting a big adventure. Imagine you're building a boat to explore the world. You need to plan well, choose a good map, and be prepared for challenges. The same goes for entrepreneurship. You need to have a clear vision, plan your actions, and be ready to face challenges. Entrepreneurship is about creating something from scratch and making it grow. It can be starting a business, creating a project, or even starting a new hobby that can become a source of income. When you become an entrepreneur, you have the chance to build something that is entirely yours. It's like being the captain of your own ship, sailing wherever you want to go. Moreover, entrepreneurship gives you the freedom to decide how you want to live your life. Instead of following the rigid rules of a traditional job, you can choose what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. This gives you incredible flexibility and the opportunity to create a lifestyle that makes you happy. Many people who become millionaires did so through entrepreneurship. They started with an idea, worked hard to bring it to life, and created something of great value. And the best part is that anyone can start their entrepreneurial journey. With the right mindset, good planning, and determination, you can create amazing opportunities and change your life for the better. Now, let's talk about the power of words and how they can influence your life. Imagine that words are like seeds you plant in the garden of your mind. If you plant good seeds, like positive and encouraging words, your garden will grow beautiful and healthy. But if you plant bad seeds, with negative and doubtful words, your garden might get full of weeds. The words you use often have a huge impact on your life. If you tell yourself that you can achieve your goals, that you are capable, and that you will overcome challenges, these words help strengthen your confidence and create a positive mindset. It's like you're feeding your mind with thoughts that help it grow and develop. On the other hand, if you use negative words, like "I can't" or "I'm not good enough," this can make you feel discouraged and less motivated. These words can become barriers that make it harder to progress. It's like you're putting stones in your path, making it more difficult to move forward. Therefore, pay attention to the words you use, both when talking to others and when talking to yourself. Use words that encourage and inspire you. Remember, what you say can become reality, so choose words that help you create the life you want. Now, let's talk about how to wake up and live a life full of opportunities. Imagine you wake up in the morning and have a magic button that can make your day exactly how you want it. If you could press that button and do anything, what would you choose? You'd probably choose things that make you happy and help you achieve your dreams. This magic button is like our attitude and mindset. If you wake up every day with a positive mindset and a clear vision of what you want to achieve, your day will be much more productive and satisfying. It's as if you're pressing an invisible button that helps you make the most of opportunities and face challenges with more confidence. The idea is that, instead of waiting for perfect conditions to act, you should start doing what's important to you right now. Many people wait for the right moment or ideal conditions to start something, but the truth is the best time to start is always now. Take each day as a new opportunity to move towards your goals. Remember, the secret to a life full of opportunities lies in how you start your day and how you choose to live each moment. The attitude you have when you wake up can make all the difference in how you live your life and achieve your dreams. So, did you like the tips? Now that you know the importance of having clear goals, taking care of your thoughts, using positive words, and how your attitude can transform your day, remember, the key to achieving your dreams is in how you start each day and how you face each challenge. But pay attention. Don't forget that all of this works like a superpower you have in the palm of your hand. If you use this power wisely, you can make incredible things happen in your life. So, keep your eyes open and always be alert to the opportunities that arise, because the real secret is to act now and make the most of every moment. Stay tuned and don't miss the chance to turn your dreams into reality. If you start applying these ideas, you'll see how your life can transform in surprising ways. Don't miss the opportunity to be the best version of yourself and live the life you've always wanted. I hope you enjoyed the video and that these tips help you achieve your goals. If you found these ideas useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any updates. See you next time and have a wonderful day.